Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well and you are searching for a topic, and today I am going to make a video on this topic, and the topic is how to add music in CapCut. And in this video I will make sure it will be a complete full guide. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, we need to go on media and we need to upload our whole file here in this path, and then we are going to work on it to make up music over here. So we have various options to add music. So if you go over that audio place, then you will get this kind of music here. If you want to hear it, you are allowed to hear it. So you can use this like this kind of music. If you want to use it, you are allowed to use it, but this is a pro version music, so you are not allowed in free version. But there is some option that is free. This may be free, hip hop Bangladesh, so you are allowed to use this. Just select it and drag it, drop here. So this is really simple process. In fact, if you want to use music from like customly, then you are also allowed to use by using media option. Just go over here and click on import. If you have a music over here, just copy it and open it. Once you open it, just paste it in the audio panel. So the process is really simple. Or you can just export this audio option. Here we have various audio like by the category, so you can explore it one by one. You will find out like awesome and significant some music to use on your video to make your video more engaging. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Have a good day.